Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Shaftosh, co-founder of Sugarfit. Today we are diving into incredible health benefits of avocados for people with diabetes. Avocados offer a ton of health benefits for individuals who are managing their diabetes. First, they are rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar level by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. Second, avocados are packed with heart-healthy fats which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of disease, which is a common concern for people who are diabetic. Additionally, avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they have minimal impact on your blood sugar level when consumed in moderation. Now, this makes them an excellent choice for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Now, let's talk about some delicious ways to incorporate avocados in your diet. You can start your day with a nutritious avocado toast topped with eggs for a balanced breakfast. For lunch or dinner, consider adding sliced avocados to salads, rice balls, wraps, or even sandwiches for a creamy texture and add nutrients. You can also blend avocados into smoothies for a satisfying and nutritious treat. To conclude, avocados are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can provide numerous benefits for individuals with diabetes, from stabilizing blood sugar level to promoting heart health. Avocados are a valuable addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. If you found this content helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insightful content about diabetes. I'll see you in the next one.